My name's Engineer Y, and I have no game development experience, but I'm trying to make a game. I want it to be a horror Metroidvania with some elements of base building. So I started up Unity Hub and made a new 3D project. So let's go! Today I'm going to show you how I made some basic terrain, monsters, and visual improvements. I learned there is something called tiles in Unity, so I found a tutorial on how to make it. First, I made some textures in Pisco, and then I downloaded an extension that lets me do a lot of great stuff automatically, like connecting tiles or random tiles and others. Shout out to Games Plus James for making a great tutorial that you can find a link to in description. So next, I added a new tilemap with the tilemap collider 2D and composite collider 2D. I also made background using tiles, but I don't think the textures look really great, so I'm maybe going to fix it in future. Now I just need an actual object that you can play as. For now, it's just a square. As I said in the beginning, I have no game development experience, meaning I do not know how to code. And I'm too lazy to learn a whole new language like C sharp. I actually knew that there's a feature called visual scripting, which even if it isn't really coding, so when I use it, I feel like I cheat. It is great for me. Meaning, I added new visual script and made some basic movement. Now I can move around and run from things. From what things, you ask? Well, from the monsters, of course. Making the monsters wasn't too hard. I just added a new game object, new JavaScript, and just made some basic AI. But to be honest, it's more like AS. I also finally added some animations for the player so it isn't just a square. So that's great. For the second monster, I copied the first, but added some extra features, like when it notices you, it opens its ugly mouth and runs faster. It should also notice you only when it's looking at you, and it is faster than the first. Next time, I'm probably going to make more monsters, a weapon to defend myself from the monsters, and some boxes to get loot from. I would also like to apologize for this video being kind of short, but I'm just testing if making videos about how I make a game could like work out and someone would be interested in watching it. So until next time, bye, and remember to update your Adobe Reader.